Hey guys, this is day 24 of my thesis 5 AI tool challenge, and today I found an AI tool that's actually really useful for everyone's best research. So, if you are a student or anyone who's doing research, this tool will be the best. It's called Consensus AI. So, instead of searching random website, it searches research paper. Let me show you how. So, if you ask yes or no question, it will give you answer in consensus form, like what percentage of source you said yes or no. So for example, I'll ask, does coffee improve focus? And it just, and now you can see. So now you can see we got the result, and we can see here 13.5 million source, and out of that 72% say yes, 6% possibly, and 22% said no. You can actually open the source paper and verify the information. So instead of blog articles, consensus give answer based on a scientific research. And the cool part is that it also show the source. So we can see all these source here. So you can actually open this research paper and verify the information for yourself. Now let's try another example. So let's ask another question. Does ketamine improve muscle growth and injury? So out of 8 million source, 85% say yes, 0% no, and possibly 0% and mix 15%. So since we can see only 0% source said no, so we can trust the creatine does improve muscle growth, and you can see the summary as well. So yes, creatine does improve muscle growth, but the effect size is generally small, and it's greatest when combined with a resistance training. And the best part is we can even filter. So you just click on the filter button, and you can select different year. You can change the range. So for example, 2021 to 2025. um, you can change in a journal rank, citation. You can choose different field of study. You can choose different country. Okay, now let's go back to home and try another so we have another feature, deep search. So deep search is very similar to the one we have in a other chatbot like a chat gpt, gemini, a cloud, and this one can perform very deep research. So for example, I'll ask, let's say, let's ask, what's why Nepal is still developing country, even it has so much potential. And just choose deep, and just select deep and enter. It's doing all the research, so you can see it's total 21 search and result. So we got the results, and so we can see these 21 search. And now we can see after performing a deep research, we can see why Nepal is a still developing country. So I think that's all for today. But overall, this is one of the most useful AI tool for learning and research, especially if you are a student. So yeah, that's Consensus AI. Try it and let me know what you think, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.